When was the last time you truly felt awake? I don't mean caffeine awake. I don't mean that anxious energy that hits you when you look at your phone in the morning. I mean alive, vibrant, capable. Most of us, especially as we cross into our 40s and 50s, we start to accept a new baseline. We accept the fatigue. We accept that the brain fog is just part of getting older. We rely on the coffee pot to get us up and a pill or a glass of wine to bring us down. We have engineered a life of perfect comfort. We sleep in boxes, we eat in boxes, we drive in boxes, and we work in boxes. We have climate-controlled our lives to 72 degrees year-round. We are safe. We are comfortable. But we are starving. We aren't starving for food. In North America, we have plenty of food. We are starving for light. Think about the human machine. For millions of years, your ancestors didn't have alarm clocks. They didn't have blue light screens. They had the sun. Their biology, your biology, was designed to sync perfectly with the rising and setting of that star. We are, in a very literal sense, solar-powered. But look at us now. We hide from it. We wear dark glasses the second we step outside. We slather ourselves in chemicals. We stay indoors from sunrise to sunset. And then we wonder why we can't sleep. We wonder why our mood dips in the winter. We wonder why our bones ache and our immunity struggles. When sunlight hits your eyes in the morning, it does something magical. It flips a switch in your brain. It triggers the production of serotonin, the chemical of happiness, focus, and calm. And later, that same signal tells your body when to release melatonin so you can actually sleep deeply. When sunlight hits your skin, it creates vitamin D, a hormone that dictates the strength of your immune system, your testosterone, your bone density, and your heart health. You cannot find this in a pill. You cannot supplement your way out of a defect in your environment. You have to go to the source. This is my challenge to you. It is simple, it is free, and it is older than history. I want you to go outside. I'm not asking you to run a marathon. I'm not asking you to join a gym or buy expensive equipment. I am asking you to open your door. Ideally, in the morning, before the emails, before the news, before the stress of the day takes hold. Step out onto your porch. Go into your backyard. Find a park bench. Take off your sunglasses. Roll up your sleeves. If you have privacy, take your shirt off. Let the light land on your skin. Close your eyes and face the sun. Feel that warmth? That is not just heat. That is energy transfer. That is the universe charging your battery. I want you to sit there for 15 or 20 minutes. Just breathe. Listen to the wind in the trees. Listen to the birds. They are already awake. They are already in rhythm. You are the only one who has fallen out of sync. As we get older, we carry a lot of weight. We carry the weight of careers, of raising children, of aging parents, of financial stress. It sits on our shoulders. But out there, in the light, the sun burns it away, even if just for a moment. The sun does not judge your productivity. It does not care about your bank account. It does not care if you are 40, 50, or 80. It simply gives. It pours life onto this planet, freely and abundantly. Why would you hide from that? You will find that when you make this a habit, this daily appointment with the sun, the fog begins to lift. The joints feel a little looser. The sleep comes a little easier. You start to remember what it feels like to be human, rather than just an employee or a parent. So, tomorrow morning, when that alarm goes off, don't reach for the phone. Get up, put your feet on the floor, walk to the door, and step out into the light. Reclaim your rhythm. Reclaim your vitality. The sun is waiting for you. Go get it.